Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a review of CICI AI. Now CICI AI is now known as Dollar AI. So it's an advanced conversational AI assistant designed to facilitate real-time voice and text interaction across various daily use cases. It's more than a typical chatbot. You see, it focuses on natural conversation flow, providing assistance with translations, writing, creative tasks, and productivity support through spoken or typed inputs. It's available as a web-based and mobile-friendly platform. It allows users to engage in smart dialogue, practice language skills, or generate content with ease. Whether you need help brainstorming ideas, crafting emails, learning new phrases, or simply enjoying meaningful conversations, Dollar AI offers a highly responsive and engaging experience. Its intuitive design makes AI interaction feel seamless and human-like, making it ideal for personal, educational, and professional use. Now, let's look at the summary of the features. When it comes to performance, it scores A+. When it comes to performance, it scores A+. When it comes to content and output quality, it is responsive and has natural conversations. So I want you to tell me about itself. Alright. Then when it comes to the interface, it has clean interface and also has a voice interface where you can just tell it what you want. Then when it comes to AI technology, it has NLP for conversational AI, machine learning, voice recognition, and translation AI. The purpose of Dollar AI is to provide real-time voice and text-based AI assistance for daily tasks, learning, and content generation. It's compatible with web-based actually, so it's compatible with your systems and also compatible with mobile. Now, when it comes to pricing, it has a free plan available. It has a paid plan starting at $9.90 per month. Now, you're wondering who is best for using it. Language learners, content creators, business professionals, and curious users and tech enthusiasts can engage with it for, fun or practical conversations. So like I said before, the features are real-time voice conversation, smart text-based interaction, AI-powered translation support, writing assistance and content generation, multilingual capability, conventional practice mode, clean and intuitive interface, web and mobile access, and responsive AI dialogue. And if you're wondering if it is free, yes, it is free. It has a free plan with essential features for casual use, and the paid plan unlocks extended capability and higher usage limits. We're going to look at the pricing later, the pros and the cons. I've mentioned the pros before, now let's go to the cons. The cons is that the free plan limits daily usage significantly, and it has advanced writing tools that require a paid subscription, and has a dedicated app. It operates through browser-based access. So that's it. As you can see, I'm having a bit of a problem with it, and I believe that's the network. So please make sure your network is strong before you use it. Hope you found this video helpful.